gonna make some coconut drops. Yeah. Okay guys, so after rinsing, you want to cut your coconut into very small pieces as shown here. See that?
Long spoon.
Long spoon? Coconut dip on fire now. Okay guys, so the ingredients that we will be using today, we'll be using cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla, and a whole lot of sugar. So at this point, we will start to add in some of those ingredients to boil with the coconut so that it has a really rich and nice flavor and taste.
If you boil with the to get the flavor. Now put in ginger.
So ginger gone in now, I'm saying. So butter. If only you guys could smell what was going on in this pot. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So we added about 4 small packs of sugar, but depending on the amount of drops that you're making, that amount may vary for you. Putting in the sugar.
Jobs gone for baby, so we'll get find out. There's a fig. There's a fig right here, I'll get it.
What you want it to burn?
No, I don't want to burn.
Oh.
Me have to
Burn or
watch.
brown?
It have to burn.
That me I say?
Me I say me don't want it to burn up.
Okay, so
That's
that's
why I have
why
no fan like it.
you stir so often.
So me have to burn.
You know you all jobs chemist long time.
No. We call it jump school.
Okay, so now that it's boiling down, you just want to pay attention to the pot so that it doesn't dry out too much. So now is the time when you can't, leave the pot and go and do something else. You just have to pay attention to it because the end is near. so ready to take out now.
So when you're doing something, you can stay far and you can do something else. And depend that, you have to decide if a drops are greater cake, that you just know, so you have to be able to concentrate. That's what I'm really doing. You just concentrate.
Okay guys, so we are laying our coconut drops on some clean banana leaf. And when you're doing this, you want to do it fast. You can't be slow, because if the coconut gets cold, it's just gonna get hard. You're not gonna have anything to sit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and trust me, these were so delicious, and the smell, oh my gosh, to die for. Thank you again. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Coconut drops.
Whoa, yeah.